So the topic which I have explained you related to that portable, okay, and platform independent language. So I will make one by one diagram. Suppose here, if I'm talking about, I will open a paint. In that, I will try to write a diagram first. Okay, so actually here this is your operating system, suppose. Okay, in this operating system you are having one your application like C++. I'm trying to give you an example related to C. So this is your OS, operating system. So directly your operating system linked to the your platform, that is you are using C++. So if this operating system will change, so the code will be changed. Okay, so because the C language understand the binary, so directly operating system hit your application which you are running. But in case of Java, we are having your Java code here. Okay, inside this we are having JVM. Okay, and here we are having operating system. So this language Java, it's not operating system dependent. Okay, it's an independent programming language because it's directly not hitting your Java code. Directly it is going to the JVM. And as I have explained you, like Linux and Unix and a Mac and your Windows operating system, so these are having its own JVM. And JVM, it's not dependent of anything, so directly you can call here. If something will change, so there is not impact on any operating system, it will not crash. Okay, so that is why we call Java is an independent programming language that I have explained you. Okay, next, which we where we was next topic was robust. Okay, we call Java is an robust. There is a most important feature of Java. So because of two things, it is called as robust programming language. First, it has a most important and helpful feature called exception handling. If your code will break somewhere, so you have to handle those kind of exception. That is your exception handling using try catch throws. Whatever the exception handling we will be talking about in the next session, step by step we are going. But here I'm trying to explain you why we call the Java is a robust programming language. So basically the another reason to call this robust, Java is a strong lies in the memory management features. When it's come memory management, so definitely garbage collectors come in a picture. So Java is having inbuilt feature of garbage collector that is offered by JVM, which collects all the unused variable. Suppose you have written one program. In the program you have declared three variables. Only two variables are used, but one variable is unused. Unnecessarily it will use your memory. So garbage collector what will do, it is a special kind of program under JVM that runs for time to time and detect any unused variable and object, that removes them from the memory to free up your space. In that case of other prior language, there is no such program to handle memory management. So that's Java is unique. So basically, programmers only responsible for collecting and deallocating or allocating memory space. Otherwise, what will happen? So you are using unnecessary memory where there is no use. So Java is already having inbuilt feature garbage collector to remove your unused variable or unused space. So that's we call robust. Next is secure. When we are talking about the security, so Java is a most secure programming language. Okay, like as of now, every device is connected to each other using internet and any other openness of the possible of hacking. Okay, but in case of our application that is built in Java, also needs some sort of security. Okay, so basically when we are talking about Java, Java provides security features to the programmers like security like virus threat. Okay, impersonation can be handled for minimize using Java. So here we are having the decode and encode, like encryption and decryption features, if you have heard about. So basically it secure your data from these kind of things which is happen nowadays in internet. Okay, so this is the most secure language ever which we used in Java. So basically we are having the JVM and it is smart enough to detect your virus from the normal program, and it will find out in bytecode only, and it will convert, and JVM will throw an exception and abort execution stop where if it will find any kind of miscellaneous activities. And now the next is interpreted. So basically interpreted, what is that? Interpreter, basically we are having two things, compiler and interpreter.